Good morning. How you guys doing today? So today is a very special day. Pretty much I'm gonna bring the Black Sparrow and go see its previous owner. When I bought this car from Tom 2 years ago, the car was a non-runner. It has a Gen 2 in it with a blown Gen 2, and pretty much this is how it is. It was before. It has some different wheels on it. Yeah, the car was way less power than what it has now. Right now the car has a Gen 5 in it. It is running on flex fuel. It is fully tuned. Pretty much with the help of my my boy Adrian and my brother Flaco, we got this car up and running to where it is today. Little bit of a headache here and there. The car was delayed for about a very long time, but you know what? That's the past. But now it's pretty much has a Sparkle Pro 2000 seats on there. You got some personal steering wheel. But yeah, it's pretty much my personal track car, slash fun car, slash weekend car. And the car is running on Koenig flow form, 15 by 7.5. and then 15 by 8.5, and I'm running an RS4s, 245 40 15, and the front is 225 45 15. And it does have the EBC yellows on there, front and rear. So yeah, and the car is pushing about, the dyno Danny from Unrivaled Tuning, headed on flex fuel, is doing 350 at the wheels. So at the crank it's probably like over 400. But yeah, I used to go by the wheel horsepower on a Dynapack, and the car is fully custom tuned with E85 1000cc injectors with the Billet 15B, and it's way more than what this car can handle. The car would pretty much do a roll, what do you call that? It will break loose on me on first gear, second gear, and sometimes third gear at full boost. So you gotta go easy on the gas pedal. But other than that, the car is really fun to drive. So it's made to be at the track, so yeah. And here's the engine on it. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy, but the car does run. So it's running air-to-air intercooler, very basic stuff. It got the fuel pressure sensors, oil pressure sensor, and Danny put some fuel safe on the ECU, so if anything drops on the pressure side, or like the temperature is too high or it gets too hot, they'll have a limit, the rev limiter, so that way I don't blow my motor. But other than that, let's go see Tom. And there he is, guys. What's up, Tom? Yeah, good to see you again, man. How are you? Good. So yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is the car that I got from you about 2 years ago. Yeah. So today we're gonna go for a test drive. So what do you think of it, man? Check out this car here. But yeah, we finally got it running, bud. So pretty much everything stayed the same as far as body wise. Just did the steering wheel, the seats, and the wheels. Silver coilovers with Swift springs. I'm doing a 4 and a 6, I believe. So it's a little bit smoother, so easy daily driven.
See the engine?
Yeah. Same thing, yeah. Yeah, so just get used to the gear.
Yeah.
Third, fourth. You go up more? You're good.
I'm good.
Okay.
What kind of clutch is this?
It's my custom race clutch. Same clutch as my White Walker.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Is that part of the link?
Yeah.
Alright. I was like, it didn't do that before.
No, it does not. Good.
Oh, shit. Oh, this is so much.
Just wait till you rip at the freeway later.
Oh, man. You know, I kept asking you, I'm like hitting you up all the time about like MR2 questions.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because I'm still looking, you know, I want to get back into one.
Yeah, you gotta go track. I'm going to track on 320, March 20th.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm going again. So with my other guys.
Nice.
You free, man? You're free to come out. It's on a Friday though.
Oh, Friday?
Yeah.
I'm tired of being a spectator though, you know?
No, you just hop on the ride along with me.
Yeah, oh, maybe.
I'll let you drive my car.
Sorry.
No worries, man.
So what does this thing rev up to?
7,000.
You have a HKS on here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry, I had
No
to.
worries.
Holy shit, man. This thing is
It keeps going. Trust me, it keeps going.
This thing is crazy, crazy fast. Hi. Are you sitting there with your coffee? It's gonna be all up on you.
It's alright, I'm used to the power.
This is crazy. Now I don't even want to fix the CRX.
I'm telling you, it doesn't.
It's not gonna be like this. This thing is stupid fast. Oh my god. Oh,
I told you I'd bring it back when it's
yeah,
done.
you did. I was like, nah, you won't.
Yeah, 2 years ago.
That's funny. Oh, hey. That's so awesome. I miss boost.
Hey, boosted life. It keeps on going, Tom. It keeps on going, dude.
Like, you don't have to downshift, nothing.
Nope.
Oh my god, I gotta get me one of these again.
They full boost at 3,500.
Oh, 35. Okay.
Yeah, so it's quick.
Yeah, this thing, oh my god.
You hit 80 like nothing.
Oh, I bet, yeah. Just the sound, man.
Back here too and everything, you know?
Yeah. Look at this, there's like a Hellcat behind us or something.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, let's get up. Let them through, let them through. Oh shit.
Why is there traffic?
Bro, this would be a good run.
I know, but we should
Oh yeah, he's up, 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 up.
don't get over.
Oh man. He's like, damn, this little car's quick.
Yeah, there's too much traffic. He's like getting up.
right, Tom. We had a cruise earlier. So what do you think of the car, man?
Ah, it's unbelievable. Super fast. Very fun. I'm gonna steal it.
You know where I live,
Like I said, I know where you live.
But yeah, you have my number.
Where I live, so you can steal it right back.
Yeah, no worries. We'll just switch back and forth. But it's a good memory, huh?
Yeah.
Take back memories.
Yeah. You're making me want to get another one.
You should. It's these cars are made to be on the road again, so.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that. Wow. Well, I'm glad I sold it to you because you did. You know, you did it right.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you I'll be back. I'm like, dude, I'll be back when the car's done. So I told Tom 2 years ago when I picked it up. I was like, hey, you know what? When the car's done, I'll bring it back to you so that you can drive it around.
I was like, yeah, sure. I'll never see him again.
But no, I proved him wrong. I came back and the car's like 3 times the horsepower.
Yeah, probably.
So
yeah, super fast.
But
Steady. Wow. The ultimate street track car.
Nice. So now you had a CRX in there.
I got a CRX. Not quite the same, but maybe it'll be fun when done.
Cool. So how does the car drive, brake, handles?
Oh, this thing, like I said, it's like the perfect street car. Picks up, no downshifting, nothing.
You're boosting every gear.
Yeah, every gear. Brakes are good. Handles way better than when I had it.
Awesome.
So,
well,
yeah, no, you did a good job.
Thank you. Thanks, Tom. Yeah, I appreciate you actually meeting me up and like just actually.
I appreciate you letting me drive it, even though I'm sad now. You know? I'm gonna be sad for the rest of the week.
Hey, that's what I do. I make you get sad. I make you get another one. But yeah, I was super stoked when the car was done. I was like, you know what? I want to give Tom a call because I think it's time for him to drive the car again. But yeah, I actually hit him up yesterday. I'm like, hey Tom, you free today? And then he's like, yeah, I'm free. All right, cool. So I'll be there at 8:30 in the morning. So, and here we are. So the previous owner drove his old AW11, the Black Sparrow, which has crazy horsepower, and it's pretty much ready to hit the streets again. So Tom, I appreciate it, buddy.
Thank you.
Hey man, no worries. All right guys, later.